Hi everyone, welcome back to Alvia's Creations TV. I'm Alvian and welcome to my channel. So today we are making candles. This will be an instructional video, so get your pen and paper out and get ready. As you see here, I am prepping my jars by adding the wicks with a wick sticker. You could use a hot glue gun if you want. And as far as getting them in the center, I am like pointing them up in the air. I don't recommend that you do this, but I'm pointing them up in the air and I'm just trying to see where the center is. But I know that you can purchase the I think they're like some type of molds you can put in the middle of them that will center the candles for you. So if you're interested in that, you can look that up. And then I will be adding on the warning labels on the bottom of the candles. It is so important that you add them, especially if it's a customer's first time purchasing your candle. Alright, so here I am about to measure out my candle wax. I am using soy wax 464 golden brand. I have my metal pitcher, which I purchased from Hobby Lobby, or you can purchase from a candle supply company. And I'm just measuring out a pound here, and I'm going to go ahead and melt it down. And then here I am adding the color in. So I want this color to be very faint. Because I have so many different candles, I don't want them all the colors to look the same. Alright, so here you can just get a close-up view and you can see my candle wax is melting. It is not a lot of wax because I am making different scents. So I want to get my temperature up to 185 degrees. And before I add in the color, which I already did, and I am stirring until it melts in. Okay, it is time to remove it from the heat and add in your fragrance oil that you're going to add. And then you want to stir for a continuous 2 minutes amount to make sure that it's blended well. And I'm going to be taking the temperature throughout to make sure that the temperature does not drop too quickly before I need to pour. The fragrance oil is not cheap, you guys. So you see here I'm getting every drop that I could possibly get. Okay, so once you reach your target temperature, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, it is time to pour your wax. Okay, so now we are going to add the wick bars. I believe that's what they're called. To hold the wicks in place, you can use popsicle sticks so you don't have to waste money. Okay, so once you let the wax sit up for 24 hours, you have this final product here. And I recommend, for the best smelling of this candle, is to wait a week before you light them. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I do appreciate you. Please subscribe, like, and share these videos, and hit the description bar down below to visit my shop.